Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you complete Anglo 11 tutorial with service. Complete means add, delete and update user. So friends, before showing you complete working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Anglo 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see Anglo 11 with some dynamic data. And friends, this data is coming from my PHP MySQL backend. And friends, also data showing inside their table with full functionality, show entries, pagination and searching. And friends, all the things are working fine. And friends, first I will show you add new user functionality. Proper validation, I will write new user. Email will be new user. Fancy email address must be valid email address at email.com. Now I will go to add. See friends, user has been added successfully. See friends, new user at gmail.com. And friends, now I will show you view user functionality. Inside booster pop-up. User, new user name, ID, email and username. Close. Friends, now I will update this user. Edit icon, new user 1. I will write down update. Update. You will see user has been updated successfully. See friends, updated. Now I will update email. I will write down 23. And here one also update. User has been updated successfully. See friends, email new user 23 at gmail.com and name also updated. Now we will update this user. I will write down at the rate and 1 2. Now update. See friends, updated. See friends, just saw. And friends, now I will update this user. Ajay 1 2. Update. See friends, updated. So friends, have you seen? Add, view and updated functionalities are working fine. And first now I will show you delete user functionality. Here is delete icon. Now I'm going to delete user with ID 52. Clicked. See friends, user has been deleted successfully. See friends, user deleted. So friends, have you seen Anglo 11 tutorial with service is working fine. And friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the detail inside this video description. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.